So my OB said that I had to talk to a genetic counselor about my NIPT results because my baby might have Down syndrome. But I don't really trust these tests or the system, to be honest.
Oh, well, thank you for being here, Ms. Davis, and thank you for being honest with me. When you say you don't trust the system, can I ask what you mean by that? I want to understand where you're coming from.
Honestly, Black women have been ignored, used, misdiagnosed, and experimented on for generations. My grandmother still talks about how her sister was sterilized without her permission or consent, and my cousin nearly died during childbirth because the doctors weren't listening to her about her pain. And now I'm being told that there might be something wrong with my baby from a test that I didn't even ask for.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, that history is very real and it's very painful. I've tried to educate myself on this history, and I've heard it from other patients who sit in this chair as well. You're not imagining it and you're not overreacting. That mistrust that you feel, that's not irrational, it's just your survival response.
Thank you for saying that. Most people get defensive or try to explain it away like the past doesn't affect the present.
Well, I really appreciate you trusting me enough to say that. I know that I cannot help undo centuries of harm, but I can be accountable and transparent in this space. So if there's anything that I'm saying that doesn't sit right with you, please just say so. I'm here to listen and walk beside you, not over you.
Okay, thanks. That helps. I just want to make sure I'm not rushing into anything. I just don't want to be a statistic.
Yes, I understand. You deserve more than that, and you deserve the care that sees your full humanity. So here's the deal with the NIPT test. It's a screening test, which means that it's good at detecting certain conditions like Down syndrome, but it's not 100% accurate. In fact, studies show that false positives can happen more often in populations that are underrepresented in genetics research, such as for Black women.
Wait, so this test might not even be right?
Well, I would say that there's a higher chance, it's a higher risk. It's not diagnostic. If you want, we can talk about more diagnostic options that give a clearer answer, such as an amniocentesis or a detailed ultrasound. But those are completely your choice. My job here is to inform you of your options, not to convince you to take a test today.
And that's what I need is information, not pressure, and someone that gets where I'm coming from.
I'll do my best every step of the way. We can also talk about medical racism that shows up even today, such as in research gaps or in provider biases or in how pain and concerns are dismissed in the clinic space, like you mentioned. I bring it up not to overwhelm you, but because I think pretending that it doesn't exist doesn't help anybody.
Wow. Honestly, that is the first time I've ever heard a provider say something like that out loud. And it means a lot.
Well, you deserve that acknowledgement and you deserve care that sees both your science and your story. You don't have to make any decisions today, but if you're open to it, I can walk through what the test showed and what it didn't show, and then we can take it from there together.
Okay, let's do it. But thank you for letting me get all that out first.
It's not that it's allowed, but it's actually very necessary. Thank you for trusting me, Miss Davis, and thank you for bringing your full self to our appointment today.